Hey, what's up, Joe? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a couple tips that we can actually apply to your website. This is just going to help you get on that first page so we can actually bring more leads in and help grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to run over is content, citations, and backlinks. Google loves words, and increasing your word count on all throughout your pages. That way we can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. You could do, I don't know exactly what kind of jobs you are looking for. I just typed in kitchen remodel Astoria NY right inside of Google. This is what you're going to see. You could do any type of job or the location, but kind of give you an idea here. You got this little GMB or the Google My Business right here at the very top. And to get in the very top where all the traffic is actually landing so you can actually get some jobs in this section, you're going to be dealing with these online directories called citations. These are just, you got like Facebook, LinkedIn, City Star, the Local Best, things like this. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations, which there's thousands of them out there, by the way. So we'd want to go get those same ones, obviously outrank them. So I would do 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they do. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top inside this GMB thing. Underneath that GMB, we got that first page of Google, and this right here is where all that organic traffic lands. And to get your website on that first page, you're going to be dealing with all that content being found for those keywords that you need to be found for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours that just pushes power to it, so that way you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an idea here, I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 4 referring domains pushing back 8 backlinks. Those backlinks is what's going to drive that power so you can get on that first page of Google to bring those leads in. You got 0 traffic coming in, 3 keywords that you're being found for. So you got your name right there a couple times. This is a German Kitchen Center. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. They're really not ranking, but here's some of the keywords. If Queens is too far, we can actually do a little bit more in your area. But to kind of give you an idea here, we got Queens Kitchen Remodeling. There's 10 clicks a month. Kitchen Remodeling Queens NY, Queens Kitchen. Home Remodeling Queens NY, another 20 clicks. Bathroom Remodel Queens NY, another 20 clicks. So if you want to go after these kind of keywords, we just got to pick a good handful of them. And as long as we have that content in place and also we're doing those backlinks, we're going to start dragging that traffic in for our website. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.